What is good, YouTube, man? It's the Hemi Twins back here with another video, man. You already know we bring nothing but bangers to the channel. We back on the grind, y'all, boy. I know we wasn't posting a little TT, man, but you know, certain things came up, and we'll let y'all boy know later in the later videos, man. But yeah, this video right here gonna be a banger, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, boy. We got an opportunity to drive something, you know what I'm saying, that possibly we might go ahead and change to. Possibly we might bring it to the channel, you know what I'm saying. I just want to see how it drive, you know. We've been looking at this type of car for the longest right here, but we've been looking at the Z06. You know, I already said a key word, so if y'all know what we're talking about by now, then yeah. But yeah, we been looking at the Z06, and we've been wanting to see how a Corvette drive, man, how low it is, and you know what I'm saying, does it have that initial power and punch, man. I ain't gonna lie, this is what we gonna be driving today, man. This is a Grand Sport Corvette, you know what I'm saying. We got the butterfly doors, man. I ain't gonna lie, he had this for a little second, man. This thing right here, I ain't gonna lie, if you driving this, man, this thing, you be breaking necks and all type of stuff like that, man. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, boy. But yeah, we want to see how a Corvette drive, man. You know what I'm saying? Look how that back look, bro. That back look crazy, man. So coming from the scat to the vet, we gonna see how that thing drive, and we gonna get y'all boy our honest review of how this thing drive, man. So we not gonna keep y'all too long. We just gonna get right inside the drive, and y'all boy, yeah, man, let us know, should we make that decision or no, or just go ahead and get the Z06. Y'all boy, let us know. All right, y'all boy, so we on the road now, driving this thing. I ain't gonna lie, so far right now, feel about a pretty smooth ride. But I feel like like my car on Lawrence Springs, I think feel like you can feel the whole road. You can definitely feel the road.
Yeah, this thing is low.
Yeah, this thing is super low to the ground, though. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, boy. But two-door, but yeah, the seats, I feel like it hugs you and all tight, but like, this is a race car, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie. Like, this is a race car.
Like, your butt go in the seat, and like, I don't know how to describe it. Like,
well, I'm gonna give y'all
this is our first time in it, though.
Give y'all a little hit. Okay, man. Okay. All right. Hold on. I gotta see what's going on, bro. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, but that did feel good. Pause. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all, but we do got it in track mode. You feel what I'm saying? This is how it look while I'm driving. I ain't gonna lie, man. Yeah, this thing crazy, y'all. All right, y'all boy, ready? This thing pulling, y'all boy.
Imagine a Z. If this thing
bro,
pulling
imagine
like
a Z06, bro. If this thing pulling, but this thing been pulling like, this thing did not want to stop at all, y'all. But I'm not gonna lie.
No fishtail, just fucking go, bro.
Let me see, cause you know, hellcats and stuff, they spin at 50. So let's see something real quick. This thing moving, y'all boy.
But we used to dang on this thing sliding.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like, this is a planted car, bro. Like, this thing is.
Y'all gotta drive one, bro. Like, I'm not even driving it, and like, you know what I'm saying? In this passenger seat, you feeling everything. I'm trying to tell you. You feeling everything.
This thing good as a fool.
The trunk on the space if you want to go get some groceries or something. And some stuff will fit back there.
Yeah, this thing here, bro.
I think the roof can come off too.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all, boy. This thing here, this thing move. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. This thing move, man. I wasn't really expecting this though. I thought this thing, I don't know what I was thinking, but this thing here move. This is a good little entry level if you're trying to get in the vets or something, you know? If you're trying to get in the vets or something like that, this is a good little entry level, man. But I'm gonna go ahead and give it to my boy Jay, man, and we gonna get his honest thoughts about the vet. And yeah, man, so we'll be right back. Alright, I ain't gonna lie, y'all, boy, this thing move.
And it's a hard top, y'all, boy.
This thing can come on. Trying to drive the vet, man. Let's see. First time driving a vet.
I ain't gonna lie, it got like a,
I don't know. I think these blind spots you can't really see. Yeah, the blind spots on here crazy, man. Like this big behind window, we ain't used to.
I ain't gonna lie, the exhaust crazy too, though.
Yeah, imagine this thing been louder though, like Corsair scream, cat delete, muffler delete, like this junk would be screaming. And I like how this look though. Flat bottom. Track. The power shifters work? Nah. We just leaving it automatic, you know what I'm saying?
Boy, this thing low.
This thing low. Get on it, man. Once you get on it, it's a whole different thing. Oh my boy. Oh, hey, hold on. Hold up now. Alright, Jim. Got one spot. But what the? But this passenger seat, you.
That's what I'm saying.
You feeling that thing. I'm driving and my neck on like I'm trying to hold my neck still.
Let's see, man.
That boy going crazy. That boy going crazy. Jay, that thing got out there? Hey, I ain't gonna lie, y'all, boy. That thing been pulling, bro. Alright, look, this downshift. Bro. Hey, bro, them upshift.
Listen, we gotta return this.
We gotta return this one. I ain't gonna lie. And this is a Grand Sport. Bro, this is a Grand Sport, bro. But listen, using the paddle shifters, like you can downshift at any RPM, bro. On that hellcat, you gotta wait to a certain downshift, certain RPM to downshift.
You think so?
Bro, I've been downshifting, bro.
But them downshift and upshift sound, bro.
Yeah,
nothing like
you
a
can feel
Charger or, you know what I'm saying? That junk, you can feel it, bro. You can feel it. But this vet crazy, y'all, boy. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But we gotta go ahead and return this thing back to the owner before we get carried away, you know what I'm saying?
But listen, this thing, yo, just changing from old part of, you know what I'm saying, GM or, you know what I'm saying, Chevy, man. Young boy, it's Corvette though, man. One more pull. 30 roll.
That boy's nowhere to get that ticket,
Bruh, if this was my car, the only thing I got a problem with is like
just climb. Yeah, it skip the numbers and stuff. But I want to see my miles per hour like go crazy. Yeah. But I ain't gonna lie, y'all, but this Corvette, the Grand Sport, bro, that thing move, man. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. Like, this thing blew into your seat, and you can feel the shift, the downshift. You can feel the car, man. When people been telling us about a Corvette, man, it's really a race car, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like this thing is meant to be raced, y'all, boy. Like, I'm not even gassing it up. I'm not even doing none of that, man. But how do you like the Vette, Jay? This thing, like, you just gotta drive with it, bro. Like, I like this thing. I'm not gonna lie, I like that thing too. Is the Grand Sport doing this? Imagine the 06, the ZR1. Like, but yeah, y'all, boy. We gonna go ahead and return this thing back to the owner, man. Push it. Appreciate it, man, for letting us drive the car, man. You already know who you is, man. Appreciate it, man. You know what I'm saying? And letting us experience the Vette, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, if y'all boy enjoyed this video, make sure y'all boy like, comment, subscribe. If y'all want to see more reviews like this, let us know, and let us know what kind of car should we test drive next, man. Y'all already know, man. It's the Hemi twins. It's going to be getting crazy, man. Next year is approaching. You already know what that means.